हाउ डेयर यू, तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना इस वीडियो को देखो. Not fair.
Hi guys, I'm Nitasha. Welcome back to my channel. This is my very first fashion video slash MYNTRA haul slash what you can wear to office if you don't want to wear short clothes. So how many times has it happened with you that you're running late for office and you're standing in front of your wardrobe thinking that I have nothing to wear? मेरे पास कपड़े ही नहीं है. That happens to me all the time. So while shopping, I just had one thing in mind, that I needed to shop smart office wear, and I did exactly that. I'm going to show you what you can wear to office to look smart, chic and classy from Monday to Friday. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before showing you all the looks, just wanted to quickly add that all the brands and prices will be mentioned in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. The first thing that I shopped is this solid brown blouse with this ruffle detailing and mandarin collar. It has this golden buttons that lends that much needed classic vibe to this otherwise monotone outfit. It has an elastic detailing around the waist which cinches your waist and gives you an illusion of having a thin waist. That is a big yay from me. And you can team this up with a blue denim, you can team this up with a black jeggings, a jeans, and you are good to go. It gives you such a chic classic vibe. Amazing. I love it. I absolutely love this one.
I don't wanna feel this moment. I don't wanna overstep the border. I got lost in the backdrop of my holiday with you in the backdrop of my holiday.
The next thing that I purchased is this sheer green top. Oh my god. This top is my favorite out of the entire purchase. The best part about this is its amazing sexy sleeves. You can team this up with a black blazer, a chic black trouser, black pumps, and you're good to go. You will totally get that vibe of a boss girl from this outfit.
I can't feel the bright sun. God, I'm dying to see one. I've been running through my mind for days. No, I'm not.
Next up, I have this mustard yellow top. The color is gorgeous. It is sleeveless, has a tie-up neck, and you can totally pair this with a skirt, a palazzo, a denim, or a trouser. It looks super stunning and I love it.
I don't wanna feel this moment. I don't wanna overstep the border. I got lost in the backdrop of my holiday with you.
The next items that I purchased are these two cute tops from Harpa. This is technically the same top, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It is so amazing that I decided to get two in two different shades. And yeah, this striped top lends you that perfect amount of oomph. You can wear it with a blazer, you can wear it as it is, you can team this up with a skirt, and you can style it in multiple ways. It looks absolutely amazing for office.
I got lost with you. I got lost with. I got lost with. I got lost with you. I got lost with. I got lost with. I got lost with you.
Alright, the outfits that I've shown till now are for a more formal setting. If your office has a more informal setting, then these outfits are for you. So the next item I'm going to show you is this peach colored self-designed top. You know guys, this top has such a vibe to it that it makes you look effortlessly chic. You just throw this on, pair it with a pair of denim or a black trouser, and you're good to go. It looks like you have taken a lot of effort to dress up and look presentable.
In the backdrop of my holiday, I got lost in the backdrop of my holiday with you. In the backdrop of my holiday, I got lost with.
So the next item is this turquoise blue top. This has a shoulder strap with ruffle detailing in the front. This top, if paired with a black trouser and black blazer, will look absolutely amazing. Also, you can pair this with a white trouser and white blazer. You will look sexy effortlessly. Also, if you want to take this from desk to dinner, amazing. Just dab on some lipstick, open your blazer, and you're good to go. Next we have this top blouse. It has long sleeves, cold shoulders, ruffle detailing, shoulder straps. As we all know that too many cooks spoil the broth, but surprisingly in this case all the designs work amazingly well. If you have a chill day at work, pair this with a good pair of denim and you are good to go.
I don't wanna overstep the border. I got lost in the backdrop of my holiday with you. In the backdrop of my holiday, I got lost in the backdrop of my holiday with you. In the backdrop of my holiday.
So guys, these were the kind of outfits you can try if you have an informal setting at work. If you have a party at office and do not want to wear a short dress, then I'm gonna show you what can you wear. Just look at this pretty white top. Isn't it super cute? It has shoulder straps, it has ruffle detailing, it is crop. Team this up with a good pair of palazzos, or also you can team this up with a good high-waisted jeans and you're good to go. This will make you look absolutely sexy.
My old ghost is streaming. Now I'm taking all that I can take. I don't wanna feel this moment. I don't wanna overstep the border. I don't wanna feel this moment. I don't wanna.
So the next option for parties is this cute maroon one shoulder top. It has ruffle detailing going on around one sleeve. I absolutely love ruffles, I guess. So yeah, coming back to this top, it is crop. You can team it up with a sharp pair of trousers, denims, palazzos, and I'm sure you will rock the outfit.
I got lost with you. The last item of this haul is this gorgeous antique gold toned and off-white kundan studded neck piece or choker, which I am absolutely in love with. It has a drawstring fastening at the back. You can team this up with a nice blazer dress, a blazer for occasions like Diwali party, Christmas, New Year's or any other office party, and I kid you not, it lends you that amazing royal look. I love how this look has turned out to be. Go check it out for yourself. So that was it for today's video, you guys. If you like it, you know the drill. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Nick Next Door. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, don't worry, be happy. I love you guys. Bye.